On our number line so far, we have talked about positive numbers. You are about to discover that this is not the whole story. Imagine that you are in a tall building with a lift. You are currently on the 3rd floor. If you press the button to go down, you will soon reach the ground floor, which shows as 0. If you want to go to the car park, you need to go down further, so you go down one more floor. We have arrived at level B1, one floor below 0. And if we go down another floor, we arrive 2 floors below 0. Now let's look at this in a simpler way using a vertical number line. We start at the 3rd floor, which is 3 on the number line. Now let's move down to 0 on the number line. Move down again and we reach level B1, and then again to level B2. The concept of below 0 can be represented using negative numbers, so instead of writing B1 and B2, we instead write -1 and -2. We can see the same movement of the lift on our new number line. We start at 3, move down to 0, then to -1, and then to -2. Another place you may have come across negative numbers is in measuring temperature. If you went to the Sahara Desert, the temperature would be very high, maybe as high as 50 degrees Celsius. If you went to London, the temperature would be much lower, maybe around 15 degrees Celsius. Continuing further north, Moscow can get very cold. It could be 5 degrees below 0 or -5 degrees Celsius. It would be even colder if we travelled to Antarctica, where it could quite easily be 40 degrees below 0 or -40 degrees Celsius. Let's put all this information onto a number line. 50, 15, -5, and -40. Now let's look at these number lines written horizontally, which is the way we're used to seeing them. The person in the lift going down to the car parks can be represented like this. We start at floor 3, then go down to 0, then -1, then -2. For our journey around the world, it would look like this. We start at 50, then go down to 15, then to -5, and then to -40. All negative numbers are below 0. They are to the left of the 0 on the number line, and so they are less than 0. All positive numbers are above 0. They are to the right of 0 on the number line, and so they are all greater than 0. If we move to the left on the number line, once we are below 0, the numbers get more negative. If we move to the right on the number line, once we are above 0, the numbers get more positive. All positive numbers are greater than all negative numbers.